So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to give the codes for the level 2, which we already created in the past video. So it's the like how to say, step by step instruction. So make sure to follow us step by step, and if you have, like, when we give an instruction, make sure if pause the video, do it by yourself, then again come back to the video. Okay, so that's always useful for you to practice more. So Karnik, we'll go into the codes. Make sure you follow us step by step. It is very important. Okay.
So what we want to do in this code is whenever our character touches the hand sanitizer, we want it to go to the next level. So we'll go to hand sanitizer, and this is a new one. So when click.
Sorry, just small addition is there. Go to costume and give it to level 1. It's in level 2. Okay. So okay, just make sure you go back to each individual each individual how to say, costumes, and give it to level 1. Okay, just change all the backgrounds to level 1 and make sure the character, everything is in level 1. Okay, so this is level 1 what we have, and now we are going to give codes to the level 1's characters, costumes. Okay.
So I'm going to go to events. When clicked, control forever. We want this to be working forever, so we can make more levels. It will work much better. So if hand sanitizer is touching our character,
so sensing, touching,
and you can choose the name of the character that you name. So I'm going to choose this. So whenever it is touching our character, we wanted to give a message. Like, I'm going to go here, events, and we are going to broadcast the message called.
Go to level 1. No. NEXT.
Next level.
Okay. So once again repeat. When flag is clicked, that is when the program is started. So for our if touching. So we named the character as Franklin KK. Flaming KK. I don't know why he named it as Flaming KK. So we named the character as Flaming KK, and whenever the Flaming KK touches the hand sanitizer, the broadcast message go to next level will come. So here again, be very careful. You have to click on the hand sanitizer and apply the codes to the hand sanitizer, not to the human. Okay. So from that.
So now I'm going to again events, and when I receive, go to next level. We should receive a message so that we can proceed to the code, looks, and switch to next costume. So now if you see, my character is going towards hand sanitizer. To make it easier, I'm just going to do this to save time.
As of now, okay. So see what happens now.
So when I touch hand sanitizer,
see, it changes the costume. If you can remember, this sanitizer was actually in the level 2 place. Okay. So now we have to program all the costumes.
So now when I touch it again,
see what happens.
It changes to level 1 position.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to probably copy the codes and paste it to everything. Okay.
And to make it way more comfortable, I'm going to do it maze right now. This will also be going in events. When clicked, forever. When clicked in looks, switch costume to level 1. We want our maze to be in level 1 when we switch, because when you go to level 2 and you press the green flag, you'll be starting in level 2. We don't want that. So again, go to events. Even this should receive the message. So when I receive, go to next level, looks, next costume. So whenever we touch the hand sanitizer, it broadcasts a message, and after it changes its position, and also the maze will change. Okay. Like
now. Okay, so a simple one, a recap so that they can understand. When flag is clicked, I guess you can understand, right? So when flag is clicked, switch costume to level 1. So if you see here properly, you can see that that the maze has been selected. You can see here the maze has been selected, and we applied programs for the maze. Okay, so what means when flag is clicked, the first level diagram should be placed. Switch costume to level 1. Okay, so after that, when I receive the message, go to next level, the next costume. So that is level 2 costume will appear. Okay, when you will receive the next Go to next level message is that as soon as the man touches the hand sanitizer. Okay, so that is very easy to understand, and we'll go for the next one.
So now you might have noticed when it again press the green flag, this is in this what level 2 position. So I'm going to go to hand sanitizer. Before forever, I'm going to make a switch costume to level 1. So whenever green flag is clicked, it will be in level 1 position right here. So I'm going to go to mails. The same codes we are going to copy to COVID-19 and safety.
Okay, simple switch costume level 1. So events. When I receive the message, go to level 2, and when I click, go to switch costume to level 1. Easy. Again. Books. Next costume. Switch costume to level 1. Okay.
So now we are going to try the entire thing.
Okay, so press it.
It's in level 1 costume.
Slowly moving. Okay, so we're going. As soon as we touched it,
And our hero is in the position where he touched the hand sanitizer. So I'm going to go to our character. So when our character receives the message, go to next level. It is going to go to the starting point. The starting point we have is minus 180 and minus 10, and 10. So again I'm doing it. So now after touching the hand sanitizer, it comes back to the starting point and the next level is shown.
and the starting point need not to be the same one which is there. If you draw a different kind of maze, it can be in any position. Okay, so you can it is easy for you to program the position as well, so it doesn't matter. Now what happens, as soon as we touch it, we again go back to the first level. So rather than going for the first level, what you have to do is you have to program in a way in which as soon as the different message receives, you have to go to the level costume number 2 or level 3. Okay, so I guess that is the overall level 2 upgradation. So that's all for now. Okay, we thought you have to go from level 1 to level 2. So now it's a challenge for you. Anybody who is watching the video, you can create up to 5 levels, even 10, 15 levels you can create, but I want you to create up to 5 levels and send us a video of you playing with the game. Okay, and what we're going to do in the next video is that probably you're going to see us uploading the codes on our on the online Scratch program, where you can publish your codes as well. You can send your codes, you can even explore other people's code as well. Okay, so I guess we finished up the whole sequence. So this is the small version of the game, and what we're planning is that we're going to have some different versions of the games as well. And probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to post some different videos. I guess 4 or 5 videos will come up here, and I'm going to give them each numbers. So tell us which number. You can just type down the comment below which number of the type of game that you want us to create. Okay, then if you think it is very hard to create, we'll help you in teaching those as well. Okay, so just comment down the number which you think, which is showing up I guess now, the number and the game which you want us to create. Okay, it's a new version, it can be a completely different game rather than the maze. Okay, so that's all.
We'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.